Okay, to install the VirtualBox VirtualBox editions, you want to go to the Input menu or Devices menu at the top of the VirtualBox VM menu bar. Go down to Insert Guest Editions CD Image. What that's going to do is download the latest and greatest additions to your Windows environment. Once it does that, you should be able to go to the bottom of your Windows and click on the File Explorer, and you should have a drive that says CD drive, probably letter E, that's going to have the VirtualBox guest editions. And you're going to double click on this one here, the VB Windows Editions one. So I wanted to clarify that because I did include that in the original video to click Devices, Insert Guest Editions, CD Image. If you don't do that, you're not going to see the new drive on your computer. Right, thanks.